Hello student, welcome to third lecture of chapter first logic development. In this lecture we see the algorithm problems. So in last two lecture we see the algorithm and flowchart. In this lecture we see the algorithm problems. So let's start. First a question is write an algorithm to calculate the addition of two given numbers. Okay, it is very simple. So first step is start. Remember one thing, in every algorithm first step is always start and last step is always stop. In between start and stop we write our algorithm. So basically algorithm is the stepwise procedure to find the solution. Here our problem is addition of two number. Okay, so for that second step is read two numbers. Okay, so दो नंबर चाहिए एडिशन करना है तो okay, so we consider read two numbers a and b. Then third, add a and b and store result into c. Okay, so in third step we perform the addition of a and b and store the addition into c. The fourth step is display c. Okay, and then last stop. So this is simple algorithm, or we can say stepwise procedure to find the addition of two numbers. Okay, in this way we write the algorithm. Okay, so second algorithm, write algorithm for swapping of two numbers. Okay, swapping means exchange the two numbers. So for that first step is start, second step is read three numbers. Okay, a, b and c. So we swap two numbers, but here only we read the a and b. Then next c, in c we save the a. Okay, first the value of a save into c, second value of b save into c, a, and then value of c save into b. So here we exchange the value of a and b, then print a and b and then stop. So this is simple algorithm to swap two numbers. Next, write algorithm to find sum and average of three numbers. Okay, so first क्या फाइंड करना है, सम फाइंड करना है and then we find average of three numbers. Okay, so first step is always start. Second step, read three numbers a, b and c. तीन नंबर रीड करना है. Then first we find the sum. Sum is equal to a plus b plus c. Second, in fourth step we find the average. How we can find the average? Sum divided by 3. Okay, then print the result. In result we first print sum and then we print average. Last step is stop. So this is simple algorithm to find sum and average of three numbers. Next, write an algorithm to determine whether a given number is divisible by 5 or not. Okay, so चेक करना है एक नंबर, कोई भी नंबर, उसको the number is divisible by 5. Okay, so simple for that, divisible by 5 means when we divide any number by 5, that time remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, that time that number is completely divisible by 5. If the remainder is not 0, that time it is not divisible by 5. So first step is start. Second, read input number. Okay, सिंपली इट मीन जो आपको नंबर चेक करना है वो रीड करना है. देन इफ consider that number is n, this operator is modulus operator which gives the remainder in division. So n modulus 5 is equal to 0. सिंपल इसका मीनिंग क्या है, n डिविजिबल बाय डिवाइड बाय 5, जो रिमाइंडर आएगा दैट इज द आउटपुट ऑफ दिस ऑपरेटर. ओके, सो ये ऑपरेटर को क्या है, मॉडुलस ऑपरेटर विच गिव्स द रिमाइंडर इन डिवीजन. ओके, सो डिवाइड करके इफ इट इज इक्वल टू 0, द रिमाइंडर इज 0, देन गो टू स्टेप 5. एल्स नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 5, go to step 6. ओके, अभी स्टेप 5 में क्या है, डिस्प्ले द आउटपुट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 5. इफ दिस कंडीशन इज ट्रू देन द number is divisible by 5, and then last step is stop. So this is simple algorithm to check the number is divisible by 5 or not. Next algorithm, write algorithm to print even number from 1 to 100. Okay, so 1 से लेके 100 तक even number find करना है. Even number, what is even number? Even number means the number which is completely divisible by 2, that number is called as even number. Okay, so first step is start, last step is stop. Then second step, initialize the variable I to is equal to 1. Okay, so first variable लेना है, I एक variable लेंगे, उसमें उसका वैल्यू रहेगा 1. Okay, why 1? Because 1 से लेके 100 तक चेक करना है. So first I is equal to 1. Then step 3, while I is less than equal to 100. ओके, यहाँ पे एक कंडीशन डाल रहा है, आई का वैल्यू कहाँ तक जाना चाहिए, 100 तक, 100 के ऊपर नहीं जाना है. सो कंडीशन इज आई इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 100. स्टेप 4, इफ आई इज आई मॉडुलस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, इट मीन्स आई डिवाइड बाई 2 एंड दिस ऑपरेटर गिव्स द रिमाइंडर. ओके, द रिमाइंडर अगर 0 है देन प्रिंट नंबर and increase value of I. Okay, so this is simple algorithm to print the even number from 1 to 100. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे दिया है 1 to 50 तो यहाँ पे कंडीशन चेंज हो जाएगा, I is less than equal to 50. Okay, तो according to our problem write the algorithm. Okay, next algorithm to find largest of two number. दो नंबर में से लार्जेस्ट नंबर फाइंड करना है. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज स्टार्ट. सेकेंड स्टेप, इनपुट टू नंबर से num1 num2. दो नंबर ले लिया, फर्स्ट नंबर सेव इंटू num1, सेकेंड नंबर सेव इंटू num2. स्टेप थर्ड, इफ num1 इज ग्रेटर देन num2, ये कंडीशन अगर ट्रू है देन प्रिंट लार्जेस्ट नंबर इज num1, एल्स प्रिंट लार्जेस्ट नंबर इज num2. ओके, हेयर सिंपली वी यूज द रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर. एंड इफ जो चालू किया है वो एंड हो जाएगा. देन लास्ट स्टेप स्टॉप. ओके, सो दिस इज सिंपल एल्गोरिथम टू फाइंड लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ टू नंबर्स. नेक्स्ट वन, एल्गोरिथम टू फाइंड द गिवन नंबर इज ऑड और इवन. ओके, ऑड मीन्स द number which is not divisible by 2, or even means the number is divisible by 2. So simple, first step is start. Second, take input or read the number. जो नंबर चेक करना है, इवन है ऑड है, उसको रीड करेंगे. चेक इफ नंबर मॉडुलस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, देन प्रिंट n is even number, else print n is odd number. So if this condition is true, then number is even, otherwise number is odd. Then stop. So this is simple algorithm to find the given number is odd or even. Next algorithm to find the area of rectangle. Okay, algorithm to find the area of rectangle. First step is start. Second step is read input length and breadth. Okay, so the simple formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. So दो input चाहिए, length and breadth. So वो read किया, then calculate area is equal to length into breadth, display the area and then stop. Okay, so this is simple algorithm to find area of rectangle. The next algorithm to find the year is leap or not. Okay, first step is start. Second step is read the year. जो year आपको चेक करना है, leap year. Simple, leap year means the year which is completely divisible by 4. That year is called as leap year. Okay, check if year modulus 4 is equal to 0, then print year is leap, else year is not leap. Then stop. So this is simple algorithm to find the year is leap or not. So we see the various algorithm in this lecture. So this is in many time examination the question is asked, write the algorithm for 2 to 4 marks. Okay, thank you.